beauties! Welcome to our channel. This is Sharon. Happy holidays! Today, I'm gonna show you how to create these beautiful snow nails in a very easy way. Let's get started. These are everything that I'm gonna use. The PolyGel and the rhinestone are all from our Astound Beauty PolyGel kit. I'm gonna put the link below. Please check it out. This apricot color is one of my favorite natural color. You all know I use it a lot. And this pink diamond color is a hot pink jelly color with some beautiful golden shimmer in it. See how shiny they are. As usual, I'm gonna prep my nails. You all always ask me how long my PolyGel nails can last. When I do my short videos, I normally don't do any preparation at all. In that case, they can last at the most a couple days. But when I do my full-length video, I want to show you every step that I did, so I would do a good preparation. And in this case, it would easily last for 3 weeks. I think dough form is a really good invention to save your time for shaping the surface of your nail. But the problem for dough form is because it's a standard size and shape, you may find out it's not a perfectly fit your cuticle area or the size either too big or too small. When you choose the dough form, you always want to choose one size up. So there will be enough room for you to build up the thickness of your nails. Then after curing, you can always file down to the perfect size. For the cuticle area, you want to customize the shape to make it fit your nail perfectly. Now I get everything ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a thin layer of base coat on my nails. Then cure under my LED lamp for 1 minute. After curing, there will be still a sticky layer leaving on your nails. You can wipe it off or just leave it there. There will be no difference to the result. I'm gonna start with my pinky by just squeezing a little bit PolyGel on the dough form. Use my PolyGel brush to pat it in place and gently press on to my nails. Use my ring finger, hold it in place, and gently flat off the underside of my nail. I use my ring finger to help hold the dough form in place. See, that's why I like to start with pinky. Now follow the same step working on my other nails. Now I've already done with my whole hand. Let me take off the dough forms. Just gently pinch the side of the dough form and wiggle it off. Looks good. Oh, I really like this color. Now I'm gonna use my nail clipper to cut it to a almond shape, and then use my hand file to smooth the edge. That's it. Now let's move on to the tip part. This time I'm gonna use this little clipper to help me hold the dough form in place. I'm still doing my pinky first, but then I realized since the pinky is very small, it's not easy to show you how I actually did it. So I'm gonna skip other nails instead of using index finger as an example. I'm going to just put 1 drop of the base coat on the dough form where I want to stick on my snowflakes. The snowflakes is pretty big, so I'm going to use the pointy side of my wooden stick to press it down and cure under my LED lamp for 10 seconds to make it stick to my dough form. Now squeeze the pink diamond color PolyGel at the tip of the dough form to encapsulate the snowflake. This particular color is from this kit. I'm telling you, all of the colors are more beautiful than the picture. The shopping link is below in the description. Definitely check it out. I'm using my PolyGel brush to pat it in place to fill up any gap, especially the very edge of your sidewall. You don't want to leave any gap in there. Cure under my LED lamp for 1 minute on both sides. Now let's check out the results. Now trim down the nail to the desired length. And use my hand file to perfect the shape. I think it looks cute. Now the magic moment is coming. I'm going to apply my top coat. Apply a thin layer of top coat on each finger. Remember to brush the underside too. Then cure under my LED lamp for 1 minute. And then I realized I made a mistake. I forgot to put on my rhinestones. Normally I would put on the rhinestones before the top coat, but this time things happens, right? So just put on some rhinestone glue, follow the line between these two different PolyGel. I'm using a wax stick to put them on. It's really a lifesaver. This is the final outcome. And the last thing, I need to apply some cuticle oil. And give it a gentle massage. This French tip Snowflakes design is done. I really love it. I feel like I don't need any jewelry on my hand at all, as long as I have this set. It looks so beautiful under the sunshine, I'm telling you, girls. My eyes, girls. Yeah, I love bling bling. If you also love bling bling nails, definitely give a try. Thank you for watching. I hope you all like this video. Click the like button if you do. I hope you all have a good holiday season. Be sure to subscribe so I could catch you guys on the next video. Everybody deserves beautiful nails. I'll see you next time. Bye!